Matter and material.
Introduction. Friends, we have learned that everything in the universe is made of matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, plants, animals, even a drop of water or a particle of sand. Everything is made of matter. Now, matter has both mass and it occupies space. Matter is classified on the basis of their physical properties and the chemical nature as well. In this chapter, we shall study matter based on its physical properties. So shall we go ahead? All right.
Occurrence of matter. Matter is a substance that has weight and occupies space. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. These molecules are so small that they are not visible to the naked eye at all. Molecules of matter are constantly moving. In solids, the molecules are very close to each other. They are closely packed. In liquids, the molecules are less closely packed than in solids. In gases, they are very loosely packed. The molecules in a gas are wide apart from each other. Due to this type of arrangement, solids have a definite shape and volume. Liquids have a definite volume but no definite shape. They take the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Gases can be compressed and filled in vessels of any shape and size.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Molecules. All matter, whether in the form of a solid, liquid, or gas, is made up of tiny particles called molecules. These molecules are so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. A molecule of one substance is different from the molecule of another substance. Thus, a molecule of common salt is very different from a molecule of a sugar. Scientists have found that molecules of matter are never still. They keep moving about and knocking against each other all the time. There is space between the molecules, and the molecules of a substance are attracted towards one another by electrical forces. Molecules in solids, liquids, and gases. In solids, the molecules are very close to one another, and the force of attraction between them is great. So solids are firm and hard and do not change their shape by themselves. Now, in a solid, the molecules have less energy to move about than in a liquid. So what happens in a liquid? Well, in a liquid, the molecules are less closely packed than in a solid and have more energy, so they can move about more easily. Molecules of a gas move about most freely because the force of attraction between them is very low, and that is why a gas can occupy any space or volume by itself. Atoms. Now, what exactly are atoms? You know, all molecules are made up of still smaller particles called atoms. Every molecule in the world is made up of two or more atoms. Molecules of different substances are different because they are made up of different groups of atoms. Molecules of gases like oxygen, that is O2, hydrogen, H2, and nitrogen, N2, consist of two atoms of the same kind, but molecules of carbon dioxide and water, etc., are made up of atoms of different kinds. Now, a molecule of carbon dioxide, that is CO2, has one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. A molecule of water, H2O, has two atoms of hydrogen and one of oxygen. Atoms are like the letters of the alphabet. You know, there are only a few more than 100 different kinds of atoms, but by combining in different ways, they can make every kind of molecule found in the world. Isn't that interesting?
अगर आपको इस चैप्टर का कंप्लीट वीडियो देखना है तो होम रिवाइज स्टडी ऐप अभी डाउनलोड करें।